Paws listing update, very important one, guys. If you look at their X page, this very post that was 18 hours ago, you see Paws 9 2.0. Okay, the 1.0 have been postponed, so the 2.0 is the one coming on board. But one thing very important here is that, sometimes Paws bring out updates and it will be in form of code, so you have to decode it, okay, to actually get the information what they are trying to pass across. And this is super important. If you look at this very post, it is covered that this post, we have GetPawsed, we have GetPawsed here, and we have GetPawsed, and we have GetPawsed at this very point, and we have the Pawsed logo here. But if you zoom a little bit, okay, so if I zoom it a little bit and you bring it up a little bit to this very area, you see this very point is Wednesday. Okay, we have Wednesday right here, Wednesday, which is very, very important. So there's an information here that the Paws team is trying to pass across. Now, you may be saying that they've delayed for so long. That is very fine, but including myself, I am not okay with it. But if you notice what is happening in the market right now, if they have listed maybe 2-3 weeks ago, that is when they said they will list on the 18th of last month, you will agree with me that that token should be down right now. Okay, so in my opinion, they took the best decision for the community, but I am hoping that when they will list, the markets should move upwards so that the period of waiting will be compensated, and that is very important. And I want them to put in good liquidity, because if they don't put in good liquidity and they list when the market stabilize without good liquidity, nothing will still happen. That is very, very important. So they should put in good liquidity when the market stabilize and list it, so that this waiting period will not be in waste. The main thing here is this very Wednesday, guys. If you look at this Wednesday, they are trying to pass the information across about two things. Okay, I am decoding two things about this Wednesday right now. First one is either this Wednesday will be the day that they are going to bring another listing date, that is another listing date announcement, or Wednesday will be the listing date. So if you go back to your calendar right now, let me go off this very page and go back to my calendar. You discover that we have a lot of Wednesdays in this very month. We have the first one, which is tomorrow on the 9th. We have the second one right here on the 16th. We have the third one on the 23rd, and we have the fourth one on the 30th. These are the Wednesday in this very month. So two things are going to happen on this Wednesday. The first one is either they are going to release a new listing date on any of these Wednesdays. Okay, I'm not specifying anyone right now. Any of these Wednesdays, they're going to bring another listing date, or the new listing, which is the Paws 2.09, is going to be on any of these Wednesdays. That is the listing. So either they're going to release the new information on Wednesday, or the listing will now be on any of these Wednesday. This is super important, and this is what I decode from what the Paws team just dropped on their X page that was 18 hours ago. This very information right here, and this is super important, guys. So let's keep waiting for the team to do their job. And I also believe if they have listed on the 18th of last month, the market will have dumped severely, and sometimes we would have not make any reasonable thing from this very airdrop, especially those of us that have good quantity of this very token. And let's see what they're going to do in their next announcement concerning this very listing, guys. So this is the listing update on the Paws airdrop right now. Pay attention to these Wednesdays in this very month of April 2025. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto updates. Link down below. It is a free channel. Join right now. Thanks for watching.